In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change TradingView Timezone. Getting your charts to display in the correct time zone is essential for reading candles accurately, matching session times, and keeping your economic calendar aligned with your local clock. Here's how to do it from start to finish in a quick, clear way. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for TradingView. In the search results, select the official TradingView link that says TradingView Track All Markets. This takes you to the platform where charts, watch lists, and the economic calendar are available. Once TradingView loads, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen for the calendar icon. This opens the economic calendar panel. The calendar is where time zone settings can be adjusted so your events and chart times are consistent. Go ahead and click that icon to reveal the panel. With the calendar open, find the gear icon at the top right of the calendar panel. This is the settings menu for the calendar. Click the gear to open the settings. Inside this menu, you'll be able to fine-tune how times are displayed. In the settings, locate the time zone option and select it. TradingView presents a list of time zones, often including common options like your local time, UTC, and various regional zones. Choose the one that best fits how you trade. If you tend to schedule trades and alerts based on your local schedule, pick your local time zone. If you prefer to analyze instruments in the exchange's native time, choose a time zone that matches that market. Many lists include a search field. Typing your city or a known zone abbreviation can speed things up. As soon as you choose a time zone, the change applies immediately. You'll notice the timestamps along the chart and the timing of calendar events update right away. This helps ensure your session breaks, opening and closing times, and news releases line up with your expectations. Keep in mind that some regions observe daylight saving time. TradingView handles these shifts automatically based on the zone you pick. That's all it takes. Open TradingView, access the calendar at the bottom right, enter the calendar settings via the gear icon, select time zone, and pick the zone you prefer. With this simple adjustment, your charts, alerts, and calendar events will be far easier to interpret. If you switch markets frequently, remember you can revisit this menu anytime to align times with the market you're focusing on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy clearer, more accurate charting with the right time zone set in TradingView.